this video we are learning how to store user input in an array in C++ and Python. So in order to store values in an array we need an array. Okay, so let's initialize it. So let me tell you, if you don't know, this is the size of an array. Okay, to store values in an array we need a for loop. Okay, so take input from user cin and add it in an array. That's it, guys. To output. Okay, so what we want first element. Okay, and last element. That's it, guys. Now let's give it the input. 23, 12, 67, 76, 89. So you can see this 23 first element, 89 last element. Now we saw in C++. Now let's see in Python. Initialize list lst is equal to empty list. Okay, for loop. Here you have to take range function in Python. Let's take input. In which type of input? I want to integer and store it in a variable. Now we want to add it to the list. This integer we want to add the list lst. Okay, so, add list to elements. We have method called append. What we want to append to list? Integer. That's it. Print lst. Okay, just save and run it. 23, 45, 56, 67, 78. This is the list.